Namaste friends, welcome to this class again. Today we will be starting with the chapter 1, class 10 mathematics, that is arithmetic progression, in which we will be learning it in detail. Okay, what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? It is a sequence of numbers. It is a sequence of numbers in which the difference between any two consecutive numbers is same or constant. Then it is called as what? Arithmetic progression. Example 1, 5, 9, 13, and so on. Here, what is the first term? A is equal to 1. What is the second term? A can be written as A1 also. A is nothing but what? A1 only. Then what is A2? What is the second term here? 5. What is the third term? 9. What is the fourth term? 13. We need to check whether it is an AP or not. For that, what we need to find out? We need to find out the common difference between any two consecutive integers or consecutive numbers. Okay. The common difference, first difference, D or D1. D is nothing but what? D1. D is equal to second number minus first number, that is A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. This is equal to, what is the second number? 5 minus first number 1. 5 minus 1 4. What is the D1 value? 4. Then what is D2? The difference, second difference. Third number minus second number, that is A3 minus A2. This is equal to, what is the third term? 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. D2 is equal to 4. Then what we need to find out? D3, third difference. D3 is equal to fourth term minus third term. What is fourth term? 13. A4 minus A3, that is 13 minus 9. This is equal to 4. D3 is equal to 4. Therefore, D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3. That means the common difference between the consecutive numbers is same. Since the common difference between any two consecutive numbers is same, therefore it is an example for AP, or it is in arithmetic progression. Correct? Okay. Next, A is nothing but what? 1. A1. A2 is nothing but what? 5. 5 can be written as 1 plus 4. What is 4 here? D. Correct? A2 is equal to 1 plus 4. That means 1 is nothing but what? A1. A1 is nothing but what? A only. What is A1? A only. A plus 4 is nothing but what? D. A2 is equal to A plus D. Correct? The first number is 1, second number is 5, third number is 9, fourth number is 13, and so on. Correct? To get second number, what we need to add to the first number? दूसरा नंबर पाने के लिए पहले नंबर को क्या ऐड करना चाहिए? D. Common difference. What is the difference here? 4. D is equal to 4. Correct? To get from the first number to the third number, what we need to add? 2D. 2 बार D ऐड करना. यहाँ से यहाँ तक एक D, इधर एक D. कितना हो गया? 2D. Okay. That is nothing but what? This is first term. A plus D is nothing but what? Second number. A plus D is nothing but what? Second number. A plus 2D is nothing but what? Third number. Correct? A3 is nothing but what? Third number. To get third term, what we need to find out? A plus 2D. In A, we need to add 2 times difference. 2 times difference. If you add first difference, you will get what? Second number. 2 differences, you will get what? Third number. 3 differences, fourth number. 4 differences, fifth number. 5 differences, sixth number. Okay, to get n differences, what we need to find out? N minus 1, sorry, n number, n minus 1 differences. Correct? To get second number, we need to add 1 time d. Second number 1 time d add करे तो second number आएगा. 2 time d करे तो third number आएगा. Understood? Okay. That means what? A3 is equal to A plus 2d. A4 is equal to A plus 3d. A5 is equal to A plus 4d. One come d. Then A10 is equal to A plus 9d. A100 is equal to A plus 99d. Then AN is equal to A plus 100, 100 minus 1, 10, 10 minus 1, 5, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 1, n minus 1. Bracket into d. Correct? Then what is the formula for AN? AN is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. What is the value? What is the meaning of that? इसका meaning क्या है? What is the meaning of AN? Last term. What is AN? Last term. Okay. A1, A2, A3, A4. Last term is, last number is AN. Total number of terms is n. n is nothing but total number of terms. कितने terms हैं उसको n बोलते हैं. लास्ट का नंबर जो है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? an. अब an अंतर करिए. Understood? The last term is called as what? an. The total number of terms is called as n. Total numbers n. Number n. Last term an. Last term an. Understood? Okay. Then we need to form a general formula for this question. What is the question here? A is equal to 1. D is equal to A2 minus A1. D is equal to 5 minus 1. D is equal to 4. We got A value. We got D value. What we need to find out? AN. General formula of AN. AN का general formula find out करेंगे. Generally. Look here. AN is equal to what is the formula? A plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. Correct? A plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. This is equal to, what is A value? 1 plus n as it is. We don't know n value. What is d value? 4. Okay. Next. This is equal to 1 plus 4 into n. 4n. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪ multiplication. 4 into n 4n. 4 minus 4 into 1 4. This is equal to 4n as it is minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 1 minus 1 plus idru minus 1 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಲಪ್ಪ minus 3. That means what? an is equal to 4n minus 3. What is the meaning? an is equal to 4n minus 3. If you get last term, any last term, you need to have n value. For example, if I give 1 rupees to this person, 5 to 9, 13 and so on, what will be the amount which is having or which is with Srishti? Srishti hatra ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Example, Manjunath is having 1 rupee. Then Sahil is having 5 rupees. 9, 13 and so on. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ? ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. I have made one general formula to get direct answer. How many people, how many persons are there? How many students are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 14 17 20 23 26 29. Isn't it 29? What is n value here? N is equal to 29. If you put n value here, you will get the amount with Srishti. Correct? An, what is n value? 29. A29 is equal to 4n, 4 in bracket 29 minus 3. This is equal to 29 4s are. Okay, what is 30? 30 4s are 120. 4 30, 116. 116 minus 3 is equal to 113. The amount with Srishti is 113 rupees. 1, 5, 9, 13. Next 17, 21, 25, 29, 33, 37. Next 41, 45, 49. Next 53, 57, 61, 65, 69, 73, 77, 81, 85, 89, 93, 97. Next 101, 105, 109, 113. Okay, 113. Direct answer bantilla. To get the direct answer, what I have made one general value for this equation. General formula for this equation. If you add any number, for example, Rachangoda, which number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ninth number. If you add n is equal to 9, next 4 in bracket 9 minus 3. 4 in bracket 9 minus 3. This is equal to 4 9s are 36 minus 3. What is the answer? 33. The amount with Rachangoda is 33. Check madu. 1, 5, 9. 13, 17, 21, 25, 29, 33. Correct? This is general formula, general equation. ಈ ತರದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ತರದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಮಜಾ ಆಯ್ತು? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, an is equal to 4n minus 3 is the general formula for a given equation. Next, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು series ತಂದು. For example, minus 17, minus 13, minus 9, minus 5 and so on. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. What you need to find out here? You need to find out, you must find out a value, d value, then an value. An general formula. In find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Try ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? Try ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? What is the a value? First term 17. What is the common difference formula? a2 minus a1. Second number minus first number. What is the second number here? Look here. Don't try. Second number. What is second number? Minus 13. What is first number? Minus 17. In the middle, what is this? Minus. You will be getting two minuses. That means what? You need to add one bracket here. This is equal to minus 13. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus 17. 17 minus 13. 4. What is d value? 4. Then what is an formula? An is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. This is equal to, what is a value? Minus 17 plus n minus 1. What is d value? 4. This is equal to minus 17 plus 4 into n, 4n minus 1 into 4, 4. This is equal to, an is equal to minus 17 minus 4 minus 21 minus 21. Then what is this? 4n. 4n minus 21 is the general solution for the given AP. Correct? Okay. Exercise 1.1. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Okay. There are some conditions some situations. By using those situations, we need to find whether those situations are in AP or not. ये situations AP के अंदर हैं या नहीं है, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. Understood? First question is the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 kilometer for the first kilometer. Okay, 15 rupees for the first kilometer. For first kilometer, what is the taxi fare? Rupees 15, 15 रुपये, 15 रुपये first kilometer. And the additional for additional kilometers, for additional kilometers, what is the amount? 8 rupees per kilometer. Per kilometer. Therefore, the first kilometer, what is the amount? 15. For the second kilometer, 15 plus 8 rupees. For the third kilometer, 15 plus 2 into 8 rupees. For the fourth kilometer, 15 plus 3 into 8 rupees. And so on. 15, 23, 31, 39, and so on. It is in arithmetic progression. This situation is in arithmetic progression. This is the first solution. What is the second question? Second question. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay, let us consider. Let us consider the air present in the cylinder. The air present in the cylinder be x तोड़ा ना in 1 तोड़ा x तोड़ा x the amount of air present in the cylinder. cylinder के अंदर कितना air है? x मीटर क्यूब सेंटीमीटर क्यूब यूनिट क्यूब ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಯಾಕೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ x ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ. Understood? Each and every time how much air will be removed here? 1/4 of the total amount. 1/4 ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ್ದು 1/4 ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಚಾರಾಣಿ 1/4 means ಚಾರಾಣಿ. Okay, for the first time removal of air for the first time is equal to x के अंदर कितना माइनस करना? 1/4. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪ? ಟೋಟಲ್ x ಅದ ಅದರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತಾರು? Removal of air for the first time. That means what? What is the total volume here? What is the total volume? X. What we need to remove? 1/4 of the x. Total volume. Total volume to 1/4 minus करो. बड़े 1/4 अला. Total volume का 1/4 minus करो. Understood? 1/4 of the total volume. This is equal to x minus 1 into x. X divided by 4 divided by 1. This is equal to, look at 4 into x, 4x minus 1 into x, 1x divided by 4 ones are 4. This is equal to 4x minus x, 3x divided by 4. Correct? 3x divided by 4. Look here. For the first time, what is the volume? X. For the second time, after removing 1/4 of the volume, what we will be getting? 3x divided by 4. Then what we need to find out? For the second time, removal of air for the second time. इसके अंदर remove करना हम अगर remove मारे ना here देना क्यों? This is equal to 3x divided by 4 minus 1/4 of the volume. 1/4 of the volume. What is the volume? Not x, the previous one. I think. Other. The previous one. What is the previous volume here? ಹಿಂದಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3x divided by 4. 3x divided by 4 ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನೀಗ 1/4 ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ 3x divided by 4. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿ ನೀನು x minus 1/4 of x. Answer is 3x divided by 4. Then 3x minus 1/4 of 3x minus 3x divided by 4. 3x divided by 4 minus 1/4 of 3x divided by 4. ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳು? This is equal to 3x divided by 4 minus 4 4s are 16 multiplication ಅದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ 3x 1s are 3x. This is equal to 4 and 16. What is the LCM? 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 1s are 16. 3x into 4 12x minus 3x 1s are 3x. Correct? Next ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? This is equal to 9x divided by 16. 9x divided by 16. Correct? Comma 9x divided by 16. And so on. First time ಏನಪ್ಪ? What is the first time value? X. Second time value 3x divided by 4. Third time value 9x divided by 16. Understood? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಹೇಳು? ರಾಂಗ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? x ಒಳಗೆ 1/4 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. x ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1/4 ಆಫ್ x. ಬಂದ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಉಳಿತದಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 1/4 ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀನು? ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1/4 ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 9x divided by 16 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಲೆಂಗ್ತ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸಾಕು 3 3 ಬಸ್. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ? ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. First x next now 3x divided by 4. Next 9x divided by 16 and so on. What is d1 a2 minus a1. 3x divided by 4 minus x divided by 1. Cross multiply ಮಾಡೋಣ. 3x minus multiply ಮಾಡು 4x divided by 4. That is minus 1x divided by 4. This is first difference. What is the second difference? d2 is equal to a3 minus a2. That is a3 minus a2. Third number is 9x divided by 16 minus 3x divided by 4. 16 for LCM 16. 4 4s are 16. 9x minus 3 4s are 12x. That is minus 3x divided by 16. d2 is equal to d1 is equal to minus 1x divided by 4 minus 3x divided by 16. Same answer? No. d1 is not equal to d2. Therefore, it is not in AB. Understood? The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 rupees for the first meter. What is the cost of digging? Cost of digging for the first meter is equal to 150 rupees. Correct? Then for the subsequent, for the next meter is equal to 50 rupees additional. Correct? Therefore, after representing it in AP, that is 150 comma 150 plus 50 comma 150 plus 2 into 50 and so on. This is equal to 150 comma 200 comma 250 and so on rupees. Therefore, Here the common difference is same. Correct? The common difference is same. Therefore, this situation it is in AP. This situation is in AP. Next, fourth question. Okay. What is the fourth question here? The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 rupees is deposited at a compound interest of 8% per annum. Okay. A person deposited amount, that is principal amount 10,000 rupees in a bank. He deposited 10,000 rupees. Correct? The gambling here is the bank is giving 8% of interest. ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನವರು 16% ಹೀಗೆ 30% ಹೀಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇದೇ ಗ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳು ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ. Okay, the 8% rate will be given by the person, by the bank. Then what is the time here? What is time? 1 year. 1 year. Okay, the amount of money in the account of every year when 10,000 is deposited at a compound interest of 8% annually. What we need to find out? Amount is equal to, what is the formula? P in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power of P. Okay. P, what is P value? 10,000 in bracket 1 plus, what is the rate here? 8% divided by 100 to the power of T is equal to 1. This is equal to 10,000 into 1, 10,000 plus 8,000 into 8, 80,000 divided by 100. OH 0 0 0 0 cancel. 10,000 rupees amount ಇಟ್ರ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತದಪ್ಪ? 10,800 rupees. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ 800 rupees. ಅದೇ 3 ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ? 10,000 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ? 100ಕ್ಕೆ 3, 1000ಕ್ಕೆ 30, 10,300, 10,300 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಿಂಗಳ. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 3,600 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. 3,600 rupees ಏನಾಗ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. 3,600 rupees ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದ? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಓನ್ಲಿ 800 rupees. Understood? Then this is the for the first year. Amount for the first year. Amount for first year is equal to 10,800. Next, amount for the second year. Amount for the second year, A is equal to formula P in bracket 1 plus 8 divided by 100, or what is this? R divided by 100. R divided by 100 to the power of T. This is equal to, amount is equal to, what is the principal here? 10,000 अल्ला 10,800. पहले बरस में क्या हो गया वो 10,000 रेसो 10,800. 10,800 in bracket 1 plus, what is the rate? Same, 8% divided by 100. What is the time? 1 year. This is equal to 10,800 into 1, 10,800 plus 8 into 10,800. 8 zeros are 0, zeros are 0, and 8 are 4, 6, 8, 4 divided by 0, 0, 0. This is equal to 10,800 plus 864. This is equal to 11,664, I think. Correct? 11,664 rupees is the amount for the second year. Correct? Second year. Next, what we need to find out? Difference D. 10,000 comma 10,800 comma 11,664 and so on. Correct? What is D value? D1 A2 minus A1. D1 A2 minus 10,800 minus 10,000. What is the answer? 800. That is D1 is equal to 800. Then what is D2? A3 minus A2. Okay, what is third term? 11,664 minus 10,800. This is equal to 864. Okay, D2 is equal to 864. D1 is equal to 800. That is D1 is not equal to D2. Therefore, this situation is not in A2. Is not in A2. Understood?